Hi, it's day 6. We're almost 1 week into this. I got you here today because I'm cleaning my bathroom and I thought you'd like to see. And I have a little tray to put some of my things that I need on. And you know what? I always end up cleaning this thing first. And they tell you to clean it last because I end up having to clean it last anyways, or wiping it out. But I'm washing this little tray. I want to put some things together on it. But one of the rules of horizontal surfaces is you really need to keep about 50% of it clear. And there's a couple of reasons for that. One, it's aesthetically better not to have just clutter all the way from the top to the bottom of the things here. But also, you need, it's called chi energy. Chi energy is movement through the house. It breathes through the windows and doors and the vents and everything else. And by accenting what you're doing here, you're cleaning up, you're bringing in life and positive energy and things. This chi energy has a chance to circulate, which brings more chi, good chi into your place. And it also can settle, bringing in opportunities, sunlight. Look, we're getting rainbows in here this afternoon. All good stuff. I'm lucky I have this bathroom to myself. We've got 2 on the ground, on the floor here with the 2 bedrooms, and there's only the 2 of us. So I got my own bathroom, which is awesome. Okay, into the first drawer. Usually your makeup. Alrighty, makeup. You're gonna have to get yourself a tray of some sort, or even 2 trays. I'm really strong on tray organization with little bits of things. And have your key components here, your backup components here, combs and brushes and sharpeners and what else that you need. But I really want you to pare things down for a number of reasons. One, when they get old, there's bacteria problems with them. I really do believe this. So if you only use mascara twice a year, basically chuck it out, or find another option as well. I always buy different kinds of eyeshadow to check out. And basically, if they don't last long enough for me for the whole day, they get chucked. Or sometimes I save them thinking I'm going to take them on holiday and then chuck them. But that's one of my things is I got to get rid of the old stuff, the old stuff that doesn't work for me anymore, and just concentrate on the colors and what works for me. And quite frankly, did you know the makeup place called Sephora? I know, it's like makeup on steroids. It is, and the price is like on steroids. But I'll tell you, that eyeshadow stays on all day. So is it worth the money? You decide, okay? Find your color and keep it with you. Also, a lot of nail polish. I don't wear very much nail polish. I find it interferes with my color consultations and things. However, I've got clear polish in here and I've got other polish. You know why? Because I use nail polish to touch up the ceramics that get knocked or dinged, little crack in them. It's a porous surface and it can only get worse. So using nail polish as a repair tool is something you should have in your back pocket. That's another tip for you here. But anyway, get your cold and sinuses things together, your vitamins, pare down. I don't even know what's in your drawers. I don't even know what is in my drawers. Every 6 months I go through them, and today is one of those days. I'm doing this challenge along with you. And so today we're talking about horizontal surfaces, and check out your makeup drawer and your essentials. This may even take you 3 days to get through your whole bathroom, but I want to encourage you to do this and look after your own stuff first before you go into the kids' stuff or your husband's stuff, okay? You can't start nagging them until your stuff is cleaned up properly. So it's logic. We're going to go into how to handle that a little bit later on, but I want to give you some big encouragement. Go for it. You girls are doing so great. I love your comments. I told you guys that you'll see your change right in the first week, and I'm just so delighted. Anyway, have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.